Ever wondered how bloggers make money online? In the next few seconds, you'll discover how to turn your blog into a money-making machine. Blogging isn't just about writing, it's about smart strategies. Select a niche that you are passionate about and has a good potential audience. This could be anything from personal finance to travel or cooking. Next, choose a platform, such as WordPress or Blogger, and create your blog. Ensure it has a clean design, is easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Regularly publish valuable, engaging content for your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, podcasts, and infographics. Next, promote your blog through social media, guest posting, networking, and SEO to attract more visitors. Explore different monetization options like affiliate marketing, advertising, products, services, and sponsored posts. Lastly, foster a connection with your readers by responding to comments, engaging on social media, and building a loyal community. Consistency and patience are crucial. Hit the like button if you found this useful. Don't forget to subscribe